Hello all. Today I'm going to discuss about types of programming languages. Before that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel SAI TARUN. What is programming language? Programming language is designed to communicate instructions to the machines, used in computer programming to implement algorithms and strings to produce various kinds of machine code. It is used to create programs that control the behavior of the machine. It is also used to give set of commands, instructions and other syntax to create a software program. Coming to the types of programming languages, we have two types of programming languages. One is high-level programming language and another one is low-level programming language. High-level programming languages are divided into object-oriented and procedural, whereas low-level programming languages are divided into assembly and machine languages. Some of the most popular programming languages are here. Coming to high level, we have object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is nothing but to define the objects into classes, properties, and methods. Let us discuss this concept in detail in our further videos. Coming to the another one, it is procedural programming. In this procedural programming, the code will follow a systematic pattern and a procedure is defined. Coming to the low level languages, we have assembly and machine languages. Coming to assembly language is a low level symbolic code converted by an assembler. We use assemblers here to convert the code. Coming to machine language, it is simply to understand for the machine. Machine will understand in the form of 0 and 1s. Here, the programmer will use an assembler and linker to process the language into the binary language for the better understanding of machine. Do you know which is one of the popular programming language used by NASA? If you know, comment below. If you find this video useful, please like, share and comment.
Thank you for watching.